Yo, what's up, everybody? We are back with another Leetcode problem number 2873. So the problem is the maximum value of an ordered triplet 1. Okay, it is the first part of the maximum value problem. So the second part is this. It is quite. Second part is the medium grade and it is the easy grade. So basically, we don't need to think too much about the optimal solution for it. Okay, so basically, let's read out the problem first. You are given a zero indexed array nums. Return the maximum value over all triplets of index I, J, K. That is, it will be like I, J. That is, I is the will be the first number, J will be the next, and the K will be the last. Okay, it should be in the last. Basically, this is all about the problem. Such that yeah, this is the condition. So basically, we have to find a triplet which follows this rule. It's actually very simple. So if I code it up, it will be much more simpler to understand the solution. So it is basically, I will be basically using the greedy approach for it. So let's begin with the code. So let's code it up. So I will be basically, uh, I will basically declare some of the variables first. That is, res is equal to 0. It will store the result. Then we have to calculate the length of the array. That is length of nums. Now we will be approaching this problem in a greedy way. Okay, so it is also a greedy algorithm. Actually, generally the greedy algorithms, the problem that involves greedy algorithms are really difficult, but it is an easy get problem. So yeah, it is quite it just works. Okay, so basically greedy, let me comment some, you know, see this will be approach approach. So basically we have to traverse through all the array. The first pointer will be at the first, that is I will already. So basically let me explain over here. Let me take an example. 12, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so basically I will place I already at this position. So I will start my comparison from over here. So that from here I can compare this one, and from here I can also compare this one. So basically let me pull it up. For J in range, in for J in range 1 comma n, that is, it will start from the second position, that is 1 comma n. If nums of nums of I, what is, sorry, if nums of, it is actually j, so nums of j is greater than left. So left, I have to position the left at the first position. So I will use left is equal to nums nums of 0. So it is already positioned at the first position. So left will be the first position. So I will be comparing with the number. Then I have to update the left. Left is equal to nums of j. Uh, for then we have to start finding out the k. So for k in range, in range G plus 1, that is, I'll be starting from the next position. I will comparing my array from the next position to the last. Okay, so G plus 1 comma n. So now we have to perform this operation. Just copy this thing, control C, res. We have to find the maximum result. Okay, it is a maximizing problem, maximum. Okay, so basically we have to max of res comma control. So basically let me see. Okay, Okay, this is the thing we have to do. It is not nums of I, it is actually the j. The left position is stored at the left. So left, this number is the left minus nums of j into nums of k. Okay. So basically we have to also stop the bracket over here. Yeah. This is the operation. Now we have to, at the last, we have to return the result. Or yes. Uh, It's quite simple problem actually. Let me run this code. Okay. Yes. Actually, it is a simpler problem, so it is quite easy to pass all the test cases, and it will never ever give any kind of issues during the submissions also. So basically, this is all about the solution. I have solved it in a greedy way. It is a easy grade problem, so it works. Actually, this solution works. Basically, we are using the greedy approach, and we are just looking through the all the elements over here. At the next problem, I will take the maximum value of an order triplet 2. In that problem, that is a actually medium grade problem. So we have to use, yeah, we have to use hash map and optimize this solution. We cannot traverse through all the element. We actually traversing through the all the element twice over here. See this line. See this line. So you are traversing the array twice. This is not an optimal solution. So basically, we have to use hash map, and we have to use that techniques to come up with the optimal solution. So for this problem, this solution works. At the interview also, we can use this solution only. If the interviewer asks to optimize, yeah, that will be the problem for the next video. Okay. So basically, this is all about the video, and thank you and bye.